In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export to PDF in Miro. Start by opening Miro and going to the board you want to export. This can be any board you are working on, as long as it is the one you want to turn into a PDF. Once your board is open, take a moment to confirm you are viewing the right content, because whatever you export will be based on what you select inside this board. Next, find the option called Save as PDF and click it. In Miro, this option is typically available from the Export or Board menu area, depending on your layout. Clicking Save as PDF begins the export process, but there is one important requirement to know before you can complete it. Now click Highlight and make sure you select a frame on your board. This matters because Miro needs a frame in order to export and download correctly. Frames act like pages or define sections of your canvas. If your content is not inside a frame, the PDF export may not work the way you expect, or it may not be available at all. So, click on the frame you want to export and confirm it is clearly selected or highlighted. If you have multiple frames, choose the one that contains the content you want in your PDF. Once your frame is highlighted, click Save as PDF again. This second click is where you confirm that you are exporting the selected framed area, rather than the full infinite canvas. At this point, make sure the correct frame is still selected, so you do not accidentally export the wrong section. Finally, click Export. Miro will then generate the PDF file based on the frame you selected. Depending on your browser settings, the file may download automatically, or you may be asked where to save it. Give it a clear file name so you can find it later, especially if you export multiple versions. And that is all there is to it.